Hey, can you tell me what's on my list today?
One moment. Here's what's on your list today. Google Tasks. Cancel upgrade card. Set up Threads account. Work.
We did it! Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks, and today we are going to build a voice agent on our Zo computer, and we're going to see what kind of powers we can give to it. Let's get into it. Let's see what we can build today. Okay, for our agent, we are going to use this service called Vapi, and let's get ourselves logged in. Okay, I am logged in, and so hopefully everyone's got their Zo computer account set up. But what you're going to really want to do is you want to go to Skills. We're going to go to the hub, and you're going to want to search for Zappy. So this is going to help us really streamline the process and streamline the integration, right? So I have it installed, I believe, in my skills. So let's see if we can get that open. There we go. And this kind of explains the integration, gives us some steps. So when you set it up, read the skill steps, go through it, get your API key set up, because that's always going to be the number one thing. So I recommend going through this. And then we are going to see if we could give this agent some cool powers here. So by default, it goes through setting up a Google Calendar, but I want to see if we can add a little more to it before we go to the Google Calendar bit. But what I really want to do is have it look at my to-do list, and can it read that and then talk to me about it, right? That's where I want to go today. So another cool thing is inside of Zo, we can just open up some of the skill files here. We can see some of the inner workings. So hopefully I don't reveal anything here. We're going to ask Zo to help. So can we extend this skill to look at my to-dos? That is under documents, personal. On it to be able to read and write to that file. So let's see if we can extend the skill a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and give Fee a call. All right, so this is actually what makes, I think, Zo such an amazing tool, right? So we got to the skill, we were just in the folder. We basically, hey, we need to add this, and it just goes ahead and starts writing. Now I am using GPT 5.3 codecs, and it just did it for us. It gave us 3 different voice tools. We could read to-dos, add a to-do, and mark a to-do as complete, all pointed at a main to-do file. This is exactly what I wanted. This is so cool. So I haven't tested this yet. Keep that in mind, but we're going to call our assistant Riley.
John, this is Riley. How may I help you today?
Hey, Riley, can you read what's on my to-do list? Okay, so we had a few false starts. I think we got it this time. I had to basically pull out the big guns. I had to move my model to Opus 4.6, and we got into it. And we figured out part of the problem was the webhook that we created on our end using some of the other models. We tweaked some stuff there. We tweaked some of the stuff on the system prompt. Let's give it a call. I'm excited. Let's do it.
Hey there. What's up?
Hey, can you tell me what's on my list today?
One moment. Here's what's on your list today. Google Tasks. Cancel upgrade card. Set up Threads account. Work. TTAI workflow video notes. Banking and finance. Pick a new main account. Due March 20th. Home and personal. Reschedule car cleaning. Decide on new MacBook. Due March 18th. Acorns closing. Figure out how to withdraw money. Schedule Honda software.
We did it. It took some configuration, but now what we have, it changed some of the personality up. I just started over with Opus, and it works so much better than before. But we did it. We got it working. We have our voice agent tied to our to-do list. We've got it simplified, and we just did the recall. It also works with adding tasks as well. You can see too why lately I've been building with Zo. It's just, you can really make everything just for you and tailor it to yourself. Thank you all for joining me on this journey. Hopefully you can see the power of some of these tools and just hooking these things up and seeing where you could use it too in your life. Thank you all for joining me on this journey. I'm excited. I just love the flexibility and what we can do here. Thank you all for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.